Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your air conditioner's outdoor unit. So please read the precautions first. Now let's begin. First of all, you can see the screws here. You have to take all these screws off. Gently remove this. Take the grill out and wash it. Use a cloth, detergent powder, and a brush. Clean it all the way. After cleaning, wipe it off with a dry cloth. See the outdoor unit, it's really dirty. Gently rub it with detergent powder. Be careful of the wings, these are very sharp. You need to clean the wings also. And finally clean by water. Then take a towel and wipe it. Dry it up. Gently rub it all the way. Look at this one, it's getting its shiny looks back. You can see the screw holes here. There could be 10 to 12 screws. This is the screw. Put the grill back and tighten it up. Look at the outdoor unit. It looks like completely a brand new one. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye-bye.